As you may or may not know, the minimum age requirement for Facebook is 13 years old. Some parents may be unaware that by default, Facebook has a setting where if you go to Google or Yahoo, any other search engine, and type in your son or daughter's name, usually the results show up pretty well, and some of their information may or may not be public, and you might not be aware of what is or isn't. I'm going to walk through and show you how to just make it so it doesn't show up in the regular search engines. To see an example, I'll show you by going to Google. At any time you may pause this video and apply the settings that I'm showing you. If I type in my name, sometimes you just need the first name, sometimes first and last. For me, since it's a familiar name, I need to also type the city. But for some people, for less common names, you just have to type in their name. The results here on Google have me showing up as the first one. If I click on it, it'll kind of give you a preview of what people that aren't friends are going to see. And it shows basically a lot of information about your son or daughter here, including the all their likes, which are places they may be affiliated with or that they may be interested in, which isn't information that you want everybody to have. To remove this information from search engines, Facebook has a setting that you can go in and change, which I'm going to show you now. So open Facebook and log in under the account which you'd like to change the setting for. And in the upper right corner here, there's a down arrow. You're going to want to click that and then click on privacy settings. Then you're going to see ads, apps, and websites. It says manage your settings for ads, apps, games, and websites. Click on edit settings, and then under where it says public search, click on edit settings. Now you're going to see a little bit of information about that setting. At the end of it, you're going to see a see preview link, and you can click on that, and that is what people are going to see. That's what I showed you earlier. Basically, if you don't want to go to Google ahead of time and see what people are going to see, if they're already logged in under their account and you just want to change the setting real quick, you can do that preview. After that, you can hit back, and then the check mark is next to enable public search. So to disable this option, all you have to do is uncheck that and then click confirm. In my case, my business is registered under my name, so I do want that enabled. But in your case or your son or daughter's case, you may not want that setting enabled. And please bear with me while I figure out the clicking in my camera, etc., and come up with other tips which will help you guys. Thank you.